Today we're going to see how we can type less on an iPad. So we're going to go to a browser and go to formgram.com. We're going to scroll down to the third example. And this form looks very similar to the previous two forms that we've seen in the previous two example videos. The only addition is that we actually have a search bar at the top of the screen here. So what we're going to do in this video is look up one of the previously filled out forms, the previous action items or photos that were uploaded, and we're going to go open them up and make changes to them. So first thing we're going to do is go to the search bar at the top and try to think of something that we remember from those forms that we filled out. For example, in our example 1 video where we uploaded a photo of a warped Lego, we had a problem type that we entered toys as the problem type. So we can type in toys, or we could even just type in toy without the S. So we can type in TOY, and it'll do a search for the whole database to find anything that has the word toy in it, anything that matches TOY, and it found one search result here. So we can even read and try to decipher is this the one we want. So we see that it's there's an address here, that's 575 Anton Boulevard. It was filled out on December 17 at 1:22 p.m. There's some description that says warped Lego block, and the city was Costa Mesa, California, and the zip code is there too. And so this sounds like what we want. So I'm going to tap it to open it, so it'll bring it up. So the screen updates to show us the photo that was uploaded in that example 1 video previously where we took this photo. And we see that the description says warped Lego block, which is what we entered previously in that video. And the problem type, if we scroll down, says toys. So this is exactly what we want. The current date was what it was at the time this form was filled out in that video. The current location was the location when it was filled out. So this is the one. So let's say we want to make some changes or additions or add more detail to the description. So we're going to tap the description box and then say buy more, something like that. So this is saved automatically into the database. So anyone else who looks at this form, they'll see the latest changes with the word buy more added to the description. So this is live. And we can change the problem type as well. So you may recall that we had several problem types that come preloaded. So those are the 3 that we have. So we can select material. So we effectively change the problem type to toys, from toys to material. So if we're happy with this, we can go ahead and just leave it as is. Everything is saved. All these changes are automatically updated in the database by itself. And let's look at another form that we filled out. And the form that we entered in example 2 video, it was a wooden screw. So we can search for wooden, right? And so I found one form that matched, and we can read that it says wooden screw, Costa Mesa, California. The address is the same address, and yeah, that sounds like what we want. But you know, to illustrate how powerful this search is, we can even just type in screw. You know, and that's just one word in that description. It still brought up the same form, so it was able to find it based on any word that you can think of in that form. So we're going to go ahead and tap this guy to open it up, and we're going to see the screw that we uploaded in that example 2 video. So this was the picture that was uploaded. The description was wooden screw, like we said. The problem type was material, which is correct, and the current date and location hasn't changed. So let's say we want to search on anything that was done in December, all the forms that were filled out in the month of December. So we can even type in the word December, and you can see it pulled up a lot of forms that were filled out in this month. So we've been real busy. So I can tap on any one of them. So we can see that this was another picture that was taken, that was uploaded in this form. So we can even search on the street address. For example, Anton. See that there's a lot of matches for this street. So we can pick one of these search results and see what it is. And this is my computer. So we can also search based on city, Costa, right? And then it'll have many results that match Costa Mesa. We can select one of these. We can also search on the time. So we can say, show me everything that was uploaded in the PM. So we can see several examples here. So let's tap on several search results here. So let's tap on this guy. So this is another photo that was uploaded. So this is very versatile, very flexible. You can basically search on anything that you see on the form, anything that you remember that you entered into the form. You can search on the description, the problem type, or any of the fields that you've added to this form. So this is the video about how to search and how to help you type less on an iPad. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.